Welcome back to Vernon's YouTube channel. My name is Logan. I'm the bar manager here at Vernon Speakeasy, and thank you for coming in and joining us for bartender tips and tricks. So today, what we're going to be teaching you is the right way to do a jigger pour. I'm just going to show you the easiest way that you can minimize mistakes and be the most accurate with your pours. Every quarter ounce should be at least a 1 count with your jigger, with your pour. If you can master that, you'll notice a lot of recipes will go by quarter, half, 3/4 ounce, up to 2 ounce, 1.5 ounce. And if you can just get that quarter ounce just right, then it's so easy. You'll never find a recipe that says 1/3 of an ounce or 5/8 of an ounce or anything like that. So with all that said, let's get right on into it. The way that you're gonna practice this is with your jigger. Every time you should just try to go either on your ounce, or when you have your 2 ounce with the 1.5 ounce line on the inside, you should be counting either out loud or in your head to try to get it to match up exactly to 4, or if it's an 1.5 ounce, it'd be to 6, or if it's the 2 ounce, it'd be an 8 count. So remember, we're going up by quarter ounces each time. You'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have your perfect ounce. Then you can come around to your other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You've got your perfect 2 ounce pour there. And the beauty behind that is then you can start going 1, 2, and 3. Whoops, hesitated there. Sometimes you've got to be careful. That's something I should teach you guys right away, is that sometimes your bottle will hiccup. Try to get that count as soon as the flow starts going. It can get a little complicated, but it's still just one of those things you got to kind of work out a little bit. Makes it a little harder with the quarter ounce pours and whatnot. So again, we'll just go ahead and dump these out. We're going to do a perfect ounce pour. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we go on here, it is perfectly to the ounce, to the droplet. So actually, I'm not going to dump that out. What we'll do is now we can choose whether we want to add another ounce. Maybe we have another liquor or a lime juice we're adding. So we've put the ounce in, let's add another 1/2 ounce in there. 1, 2. And if we go to the other side of our jigger, it will fill right up to our cheater line on the inside at 1.5 ounces. Say you're making a Long Island iced tea, you have to do a 1/2 ounce pour every single time. So we'll do another 1, 2 count in there. Be able to get it exactly to the very tippy top with every last drop. So we'll go ahead and we'll apply those fundamentals and make a quick Long Island iced tea while we're here. So it's gonna be a 1/2 ounce of all 5 of these ingredients: Cointreau, gin, vodka, tequila, and rum. The 2 count is gonna be our 1/2 ounce. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so now we'll test out and we'll see if my pours are exactly right. I hope I can get it accurate. I wasn't just bragging for no reason. Oh my gosh, it's barely perfect, thank goodness. And then of course, we just need our 1/2 ounce, 1, 2 of Bacardi left in there. We're gonna take some homemade lemon juice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one was the 1.5 ounce, house-made simple syrup. We'll do 3/4 ounces on this one. So we'll go ahead, toss it right in. Cap on after you put the centerpiece, that we don't build up too much pressure, and a good shake. The mug is nice and frosty. You can see that it's actually freezing and nice and diluted. Perfect. And all that's missing is that little topper of Coca-Cola. We're deciding to pair this one right now with a charred and dehydrated lemon wheel. Perfect. So this is made with the simple syrup that we have and a little bit of just regular house-made lemon juice. Delicious, nice and tart. This one's always a good summer cocktail. It's extra boozy, so that's always a plus too, especially when you're trying to impress your friends and you want them to taste something that tastes like it has no alcohol in it, easy to drink, and just delicious. If you want to give it a try, Dominic, go right ahead. Perfect. Thank you all for coming out to Vernon's YouTube channel once again. This was Long Island iced tea after we had finished making some simple syrup. Thank you so much for joining us.